Falling asleep on your stomach makes you significantly more likely to have erotic dreams. Pretending you don't have feelings of anger, sadness or loneliness can literally destroy you mentally. Smiling boosts our immunity system and can help us live years longer than average. Gamophobia is the fear of marriage, relationships or commitment. Being called baby has a positive effect on female friends. Even it also helps in instant emotional stress relief. According to a study, 70% of females use silence to express pain. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Psychology claims that if two past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. It is scientifically proven that the company of good friends reduces stress in life. Maturity is when you love someone deeply, but you don't pressurize them to love you back. Spending at least 60 minutes in conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. Men and women who listen to similar music tend to be better communicators and have longer lasting relationships. It's not about managing your emotions, it's about managing your reaction to your emotions. The wedding ring goes on the left ring finger because it's the only finger with a vein that connects to the heart. A kiss can be 10x more effective than morphine in reducing pain, as it's thought that it activates the natural painkiller.